Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and gents half sweater, full sweater, caps. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 8 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 3. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 15 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 3, 5 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3 is equal to 15, and here equal to base row. You can knit any body you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in back. Now make 3 stitches from these 2 stitches. For this make an exercise. Insert this needle center of these 2 stitches like this. Now make an extra loose stitch. 1, yarn over, 2, knit together from back loop, 3, drop these 2. That's our repeat. Pull 1, make 3 from 2 stitches. First we make an extra loose stitch, yarn over, knit together from back loop. This is 3 stitches pattern, 2, 4. Here we increase 1 stitch which we decrease in our next rows. So again we repeat this pattern. Yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, make an extra stitch from this center of these 2 stitches, yarn over, 2, knit together from back loop, 3, again yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, make 3 from these 2 stitches. For this insert this needle center of these 2 stitches like this and make an extra loose stitch. 1, yarn over, 2, knit together from back loop, 3. One more time, yarn in front, pull 1, yarn in back, make an extra loose stitch, insert this needle center of these 2 stitches, make an extra loose stitch, yarn over, 2, knit together from back loop, 3. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches, yarn in front, pull 1, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn in front, pull 2, 1, 2, slip 1, pull was, yarn in back. That's our repeat. Knit 1, pull 2, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 1, yarn in front, pull 2, 1, 2, slip 1, again yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 2, 1, 2, slip 1. One more time, knit 1, yarn in front, pull 2, 1, 2, slip 1, yarn in back. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern. Last 2, knit 1, pull edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. Now take this slip stitch and pass over these 2 stitches. Now drop this stitch. That's our repeat. Purl 1, slip 1 stitch and purl 2 and pass over this slip stitch. Again here we have 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches? Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. Now pass over this slip stitch and drop this stitch. Again purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, pass over this slip stitch and drop this stitch. Purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. Now slip over these next 2 stitches and drop this stitch. Here we complete 4 time repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches, purl 1, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete. Now 6th row, wrong side. Purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 7th row, right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 7th row is complete. Now 8th row, wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back and again knit these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 8th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 8 rows and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. And if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.